hello, good evening. But actually raining and raining all the way through it. Wow. So we go to McDonald's having cheeseburgers or chicken burgers. Last week. So I just got back from family all day long, and it would be a long travel we had today. Unbelievable. But no. So I got all but there, and then back up here behind me. I have to walk from there, take about 30 minutes. We get to McDonald's. That's all about it. Because it's raining in this situation, it'll be raining all day. That's the main thing. That's why I got a coat on, got hot up. So anyway, have a lovely day.